Welcome to the Crypto Nesso, Cardano, ADA. As you can see, we did a very nice corrective movement. More likely this was honestly, this is a three wave, right? So I would say maybe A, B, and C. Or this is one A overshooting wave B and a C. But then this is not that great, maybe, as calling it five-way up, because when you zoom out, you really see. We take the brush now. You really see an A, a B, and a C. Yeah, or just an A, a B, and a C. Unless we do it and take it as a diagonal, and that's the only way that the wave 4 can overlap the wave 1. So that also would work out. So anyway, let's talk about short term now. So we can see that it did made a nice pullback. Let me take out the brush now. So now I scale in. As you can see, we did lost the 0.886 fib retracement. So we need to at least to try to regain as quickly this level at 32 cents. Now we're doing this downtrend or falling edge. We are now attempting to break out. So there are many positive things about ADA because we're doing this downtrend channeling, went on a side, broke out. After that, I did tell you very short term, we're doing this uptrend or ascending edge. So that's, it's bearish, and then we fell. And now we are having this longer term downtrend line, and now we're starting to attempt to break it out. So this is the daily. Let me go on the 4 hours now. Now zoom in. You can see that we break, and now we're using it as a support. This is what we want, right? We want a nice breakout, a retest, and after that it can go higher. So now I am counting this as a wave 1. This is the A overshooting wave B, and this is the C, and this is the third one. As you can notice now, the third one is skyrocket and just blast the 1.618 fib extension at 27. What's that? 27.33. Let me move that 4 maybe lower. And we did reach the, my god, all my numbers are overlapping. So we did reach the 2.618 at 29 cents for 2. Sorry. Now, is this third wave finished or still ongoing? Well, for a moment, I consider it as this third wave done, and this is the movement for the wave 4. Now, I know everybody's super bullish, but I wouldn't mind if ADA could do a proper pullback. So if this is the third, this would be the A, overshooting wave B, and we need to have a C. So now, because of the overshooting, if I take an extension, so let me just measure this A wave and add it to the, well, allegedly B wave. And let me take, yeah, okay, so the 1-to-1 ratio, we should go about 27-24, and that would kind of break a little bit the trend, because we're having a nice uptrend trend, but it wouldn't be that bad, because as you can see, it can go up to 26.70, and all that without invalidating this fourth wave. Yeah, for sure it is going to break the trend, but it's respecting this fourth wave Fibonacci retracement. Also, we could just wick momentarily down, get to 27.74, and then skyrocket. But once again, as you can see, we did touch the 0.786 fib retracement. So, a lot of time, is this a coincidence that it really touched that level and then after and now it's bouncing? maybe this is what is going to do the best it can do for a wave C, and now it decided to go higher. So short term, I was able to draw this trend. I did it like 2 years ago, 2 hours ago, and you can see now I already broke. And yeah, I had a nice breakfast with my girlfriend, and yeah, and then I forgot to put my entry. So there you are. It's not too late, honestly. Still possible to do it. So my next target, very possible, we will reach the 3.618. And as you can see, also Bitcoin, it's kind of still going on a side. So altcoins can do their things. And now let me go on the 4 hour just to show my next levels that I'm checking. So for sure here we had, as you can see, a support here. Here was support. We had the resistance here. So this is a nice level, 30 cents. So this is the first one. After the, if we, well, first of all, we need to make a higher high, right? Previous high here, local one. So that's the next one, 30 cents. And after that, I'm looking at 31.5, which is the Fibonacci extension at 3.618. And after that, yeah, we are having, yeah, the 0.886, 32 cents. Let's round it up there. And for sure it can go higher. But for a moment, let's just wait if we can blast those level here. And yeah, I would say that's pretty much what I'm looking for Cardano for a moment. Now let's take some indicators. You can see 4 hours. Yeah, we're doing this pullback. Honestly, I would prefer that it goes a little bit lower. Now on the daily, what's the plan here? So we're oversold also, so but it's looking good. And once again, it can stay there for a while, and the price can keep going high. Actually, maybe good example, it's Solana maybe. You see, it went higher and it's still oversold, and then is there, right? What about render? Maybe also that's another nice example. You see, a render it's very strong once again because it keep going higher. Anyway, I'll go back with those two. So we said ADA. All right. So now on the daily, also we need to notice another level that could stop the bullish movement is going to be the MA 200, which is at 37.67. So we have many things now that we need to check, and Cardano has a lot of work to do. RSI, it's high, but MACD, it's holding. We still have positive momentum, so it can do it. I honestly rather, that takes some rest. But if you want to go, well, go. And I'm going to be happy. I do have Adana. I do believe in this project. And yeah, there we go. So this is pretty much all for today. And just to emphasize what would be the potential gain, if we get in now. But definitely me, if I get some, it's going to be more for long term. So it's something between 8% and a half, which is the 3.618, to the 886 fib retracement of the bigger movement, looking about something about 10%. After that, we're going to have a corrective movement. So then, so this could be a small entry point. Maybe complete the fifth wave. Well, once again, the fifth wave can extend, right? So we need to be aware of that as well. And after that, I'm going certainly to wait for that pullback. And the great thing is, I'm just making some projections now. If indeed this was the beginning of our first wave, and then we have 5 waves, and we do reach, 32 cents, you can see that after that we can wait for a bigger pullback, and price can go between, let's say, 28 cents, because I think this time, well, since now it's a bull market, we never know the trend. So trend could be very strong and very bullish. I just touched the 0.382 fib retracement. So 28.8 or 29, we would be back exactly about at this level, maybe a little bit lower, but there isn't much difference, right? Maybe a few cents cheaper, a base case scenario. So that's going to be eventually the option for a pullback. But we're totally not there yet. The trend is our friend. For a moment, we're going high, top to the right. And yeah, momentum is good. We don't have exactly, completed, I would say, this Fibonacci retracement wave 4 band on, but now we're breaking out from the trend once again. So it could be that it can go. We shall see next week if this was a good move or not. But for sure, I would say DCA, dollar cost averaging, it's not shouldn't be a bad idea. And I think I'm going to get a little bit just for have a prosperous future. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.